Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have not yet liked, share, and subscribe, please do it so that it will be helpful for me to do more and more videos like this. If you feel my videos are a bit slow, you can go for a play speed and you can choose for a 2 and 1.5 so that it will be faster also. Okay, you can learn a lot of topics from my videos. Okay, if you go to this is my channel. If you go to the channel playlist, you'll be getting four different types of playlist: trading topics, zero the features, also hedging options, futures and options, hedging strategies also I have discussed, and also lot of strategies with the sensible paper trading also I have discussed. You can check it out, and also if you wanted to invest in US stock market, that is also available here. You can check it out all these playlist. Let's jump into the topic. Regarding option chain, earlier we used to check with the NSE website, okay? NSE option chain website. If you type in the Google, it will be redirected to the this option chain window. Okay, here you'll be getting a lot of option, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, the strike prices you can decide based on the different parameters. Okay, this is a open interest, change in high volume. So the same chart now. Earlier, what was the problem is that we used to come here, we used to check the details, and we used to go for order here, and we used to select the strike prices like this. Okay, but now for making user friendly options, Zerodha has come up with a new feature, that is a option chain feature. Okay, I will be showing first you for the stock. Okay, if you go to the stock chart here, okay, these are the different watch list I have created. You can check out the video, the latest feature that is also okay. So if you go to stock here, and on the chart window there is another section they have added, that is the option window. Okay, option chain. You can directly select here. I will switch off this as of now. Okay, if you come here, this is the at the money, right? So you can directly select, if you keep the cursor, this buy and sell window will appear, and if you select this buy option, you can directly buy, and if you want to select a sell option, you can want to sell also. Okay, so I'm not suggesting here to buy, go for a buy and sell option, but this is this option chain feature. You can use it in Zerodha as well now, like other brokers. Okay, so let's go to Nifty chart here. So again, I'll be switching to the option chain. Yeah, this is the Nifty option chain here. Okay, there are a lot of feature they have added. Okay, one option I have made a video about, or maybe there is a basket video coming up, or already placed. You can check it out. Okay, here only we can select this toggle and we can add to the basket directly. I'll check out that video. Okay, so if you select this drop down, you'll be seeing this. We can go up to 1 year option, change size, 2 years, 3 years also options are available here. Okay, so as of now, by default, it will be selecting to the next weekly expiry. This is the 24th of July. Okay, Nifty expiry will be 24th of July. Okay, here again it is the same buy option. You can buy directly. If you buy, click on the buy, it will be order is placed. Okay. Again, if you select the sell option, PE sell, then sell PE order will be placing. Okay. So this is how you can add it, the or utilize this option chain, the very latest user-friendly option chain in Zerodha. Okay, and this is, you can see it here, open interest. This is based on the open. If you want to check the Greeks, you can see gamma, vega, theta. All these details also now available in Zerodha Kite. Okay, these features you can get it in Sensible as well, option chain as well, also in the mobile apps as well. If you want to check in the Sensible, I will show you. I will okay, directly it is logged in. Okay, now So if you come to analyze option chain, these are the data similar. It is a replica of this data only. Okay, maybe some delay might be there between the brokers or between the different windows, but not windows. I'll be saying between the brokers only and between this NSE option. This is the this option chain will be frequently changing based on the user's OI data. Okay, somebody will be selling it, somebody will be again placing a B sell or C sell order. So based on that, it will be changing. Okay. So yeah, this is very advanced, guys, very user friendly as well. I'll be come up with more and more advanced feature of Zerodha. So give it a thumbs up. Thank you.